Lesson 5. Adjusting the lesson to fit your class. Suppose you're teaching a Bible story about Jesus walking on the water. There are two situations. One, a room with only your class. Second, a room with your class and other classes all there. In the first room, you will have a drama and be active. You will bother no one. In the other room, any activity will probably bother the other class. The two classes, how will you teach? The same or different? Each class is unique. And no teaching materials will exactly fit your need. You must change your lesson to match your class needs, abilities, size, and the resources you have. For example, so suppose your class is small. What will you do? A small class means an opportunity for individual attention. Do that. Also, once in a while, your small class can join with another class. Why? For bigger activities and discussion. Suppose your class is large. Divide into smaller groups. Do you teach them all yourself? No. Ask their parents to help you. There is another reason to adapt your lesson. Children have many different abilities. Sometimes they have good abilities. They know the Bible. Sometimes their abilities excel, sometimes not. If not, you can study the basic stories often. Use pictures, maps, timelines to help teach. If the lesson is easy for some students, give them special work. If the lesson is still hard, let the whole class work together step by step. Remember, your class is unique. Sometimes an individual in your class has special needs. Suppose the class contains deaf children, and one hearing student is mainstreamed. What can you do? One possibility is to volunteer to help that person. Another possibility is to let that student take turns helping. Whatever the special need, you should find someone willing to able to help. One final thing that affects your lesson is resource. Maybe your church's money is limited and you can't buy everything you want for that lesson. Become creative and look for other activities that can teach but don't require a lot of materials or money. Remember that people are your resources also. People in your congregation have many different skills, experiences, and abilities. They are willing to help. Don't be afraid to ask for their help. Think big, be creative.